Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I will show you how we can customize Quick Launch. You have to open the settings, find Advanced, go for Smart Key, and we can choose two options. We can go for the press and hold or press twice. I'm going for this first option. Tap on the switcher to enable. We can open Google Assistant, all customize it, and get other application. We can get the quick access, for example for calculator, it's selected, but we can open the stopwatch. And we can also open application like Facebook, for example. So choose, then go back. And of course, you have to decide what you want to get, open application or get quick access. I'm going to switch to the quick access and take a look how it works. When we quickly double press power key, we are able to open our stopwatch. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.